एक सीक्रेट जो सबको मैं बताना चाहती हूँ वो कि अगर आपको जिम जाने के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, प्लीज वेयर क्यूट आउटफिट्स बिकॉज दैट विल रियली मोटिवेट यू. I should really do a PhD in Indian activewear brands because I have tried so many of them and I have my absolute favorites. Also, hi guys, I'm Shrita. Welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back and doing my YouTube videos. I have just missed this so much and I know that when you come back on YouTube after a long time, it takes time to get back my engagement. So I would love your support. Please do hit that like, share, comment button, hit the subscribe button if only you find this video and my channel helpful. If you're new here, I have been doing tons of videos around grooming, personal styling, fashion, and I would really request that you guys hop over to my channel homepage and check out what I've done so far. This is the start of a new era in my life. I have actually moved back home, so if you see a little bit of mess behind me, I still haven't unpacked my life completely. So जो यहाँ पे already चीजें थी उनको मुझे खाली करनी है और अपनी खुद की चीजें वापस लगानी है because my mom has taken over this entire house, of course, because I haven't been living here. I'm not sure मैं यहाँ पे कितने हफ्ते या कितने महीने रहूंगी, but I'm happy to be back and I'm happy to be sharing my favorite Indian activewear brands with you guys. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I am pretty consistent, or at least I try to be, with my workouts and my gym. Without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the first one, which is my absolute favorite. If you had to pick one brand out of everything that I'm showing you guys, please be Bird Eye. It is such good quality. I love everything. In fact, I'm also wearing a top right now. Everything I will wear and show you guys as much as I can because I have so many of these things. But let's start off with Bird Eye. My obsession with this brand started with their bra tops. This is such good quality, very stretchable, very premium as well. I love these so much that I bought them in 3 different colors. So one is green, one is black, and I also got a white that I can't find right now because everything has been lost in this entire moving situation. But these bra tops are an absolute favorite and I would highly recommend that you get these. Talking about their bottom wear, again, very stretchable, very nice quality. Like, it feels like Lululemon. If you've heard of this US brand, everyone used to go crazy about it. उससे मैं कंपेयर कर सकती हूँ इसकी क्वालिटी बिकॉज इतनी अच्छी है. इट फिट्स रियली वेल. वेस्ट लाइन इज सो सीमलेस, लाइक इट डजंट मेक यू फील कि आप सफोकेट हो रहे हो या आपकी वेस्ट बहुत ही रिस्ट्रिक्टेड है. बहुत ही सॉफ्ट मटेरियल है, बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल फील होता है एंड आई एक्चुअली फील लाइक इट गिव्स मी अ वेरी स्नैच्ड वेस्ट लाइन लुक बिकॉज ये हाई वेस्टेड है एंड आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड कि इफ यू आर न्यू टू द जिम एंड यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू वेयर, हाई वेस्टेड लेगिंग्स आर अ गेम चेंजर बिकॉज it sort of controls your tummy fat as well, so it keeps it all intact. Now coming to flare pants, जो कई लोगों को पसंद है जिम में पहनना, I also love them but I can never wear them because मेरी height इतनी लंबी भी नहीं है. I'm like 5'6.5", slightly above Indian average woman height, but फिर भी मुझे ना flare pants fit बिल्कुल नहीं आती है. बिल्कुल ankle के ऊपर जाके एंड होती है जो बहुत ही funny लगता है. So Bird Eye actually has these flare pants that fit me really well. Of course, the material is great, like I said. Stretchable, high-waisted, everything is just like a 10 on 10. And ये मेरी height के लिए बिल्कुल perfect है. So if you are a tall girly or not such a tall girly but still struggle with flare pants का height, ये आपके लिए perfect है. Bird Eye की मेरे पास एक sports bra भी है. This is like a blue color similar to the leggings, so you can also match coordinated sets and wear to the gym and look really cute. And there are different kinds of sports bras on the website, so you can check out whatever fits right. I love their bags. I feel like when you go to the gym and you look cute or like really well put together, just आप cute लगते हो ना, आपको motivation भी बहुत होता है workout करने का. In fact, initially जब मैंने अपनी workout journey start की थी, मैं सिर्फ जिम के आउटफिट्स खरीदती थी, नॉट इवन लाइक रेगुलर क्लोथ्स बिकॉज आई जस्ट न्यू कि मुझे मोटिवेट करेगा एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई हैव जस्ट बिकम लाइक इट्स बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ नाउ. आई हैव टू गो टू द जिम इवन if I don't go for say a month, I know I will get back to it after a month. And you also get like that whole main character energy feel when you go to the gym looking snatched. In fact, Bird Eye के मेरे पास बहुत सारे कपड़े हैं. I also have these red booty shorts which are so cute. I've worn them to the gym only once so far because shaving legs is such a task these days. Quality किसी भी piece of clothing में compromise नहीं है. All of them have consistent good quality. Before I move on to the next brand, I also have this full sleeve exclusive top again from Bird Eye. This is just becoming a Bird Eye haul. I'm sorry about that. This is not a sponsored video, guys. So when I'm talking about these in so much detail, just know that I actually really like the quality. Okay, Bird Eye के बारे में मैंने बहुत सारी बातें कर ली. Now it's time to move on to the next brand. This is Technospot India. So affordable, guys. So affordable. I have tried their sports bra, which I have right now. I've also tried their tights and also a thumb hole t-shirt, and everything I think had like a cotton flexible technology. It's called CotFlex technology that they have. I posted a shorts in it, so I'm gonna like sort of leave it here, or you guys can watch it. And the quality is top notch for this price point. I don't know how they're doing it, but they're doing a great job. So do check this brand out and then come back in the comment section and tell me what you guys thought about it. I do actually have the Technospot tights as well with me. I'll show you the material. Very stretchable, and of course shorts video पे तो आप detail में भी देख सकते हो how it looked. The price point, this is gold. Another really good brand in the Indian market is Kawa Athleisure. I'm sure you've seen a lot of celebrities also wear these skirts. They were pretty viral on Instagram. Alia Bhatt was spotted wearing them. Obviously, like, we live in India, I do feel a little conscious to wear this to the gym if it's not a very high-end gym where the crowd is nice and etc. Riva में तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं पहन सकती हूँ, तो I'm just hoping to wear these gym outfits when I travel. This was a set that I got with the bra top. You can buy these things separately as well. इसमें और colors भी हैं. Quality again super nice. इसमें I did notice जब मैं इसको पहनती हूँ तो ये थोड़ा ना roll होता है. Even though they have these waist thingies, sticky thingies here, but it does roll down when I wear it. Apart from that, I don't have any complaints. I also picked up another pair of booty shorts. Again, something I don't think I can wear in Riva, unfortunately, but very good quality. Also has pockets. Color though I love, which is why I picked this up. This with like oversized t-shirts would look so good. I also just spotted this t-shirt in my collection, which is from Kawa. It has this back which opens up, so if you have any cute sports bras that you want to show off, this would be a great top. Very light and very breathable material. Now Indian activewear की brand की बात हो रही है और मैं HRX की बात नहीं करूँ. Like, I feel like that's the OG Indian activewear brand. Of course, Hrithik Roshan की brand है. I'm not sure what's the situation with it because I haven't bought anything from it in a long time, but I think about 6-7 years ago I bought a bunch of things on Myntra and I still have them and I still wear a lot of them that have still survived. And I would say durability तो इतनी है because 6-7 साल के बाद भी I'm able to wear these clothes. I think if I would have bought 10 pieces, उसमें से मैं 7 तो बिल्कुल पहनती हूँ आज भी. One was this really bright tank top. Quality was again really good even for that time and even for now. I feel like 6-7 years back उनके जो styles थे वो obviously काफ़ी in trend थे, but now I feel like थोड़े outdated हैं. And honestly मैंने actually latest collection उनका देखा भी नहीं है Myntra पे. But I remember wearing tights even like today, and they have these net thingies on the side, so it looks very stylish. I feel like इतने जिम के कपड़े जो मैं कलेक्ट करती जा रही हूँ उसमें से मेरे फेवरेट्स बनते जाते हैं और जब वो लॉन्ड्री में होते हैं या धुल के नहीं आते हैं तब मेरे not so favorite clothes निकलते हैं. Even if I'm calling them not so favorite, that's because I want them so much कि अब मैं बोर हो चुकी हूँ उनको पहन के. But still, like I said, 6-7 years हो चुके हैं and this is in still such great quality. So HRX, I don't think you can go wrong with it. Again, very budget friendly as well. आपको I think under 1000 बहुत सारी चीजें मिल जाएंगी. I have a couple of lowers from them. This was one that I just showed you guys. I'm pretty sure I have them somewhere. Oh, this was one of my favorite t-shirts from HRX. It was a compression. Okay, where is the camera going? Next brand is Bliss Club. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of it already. I personally love their athleisure wear more than their active wear. मेरे पास उनकी flare pants हैं जो maroon color की हैं. I wore them to the gym. Like I said, उसमें मेरी height का issue बहुत होता है. I did speak to the brand as well and they said कि सब high waisted पहनते हैं इसलिए वो और short हो जाती है. But if you wear it like normal waist, it looks fine. But I'm used to wearing high waisted. That's how I wear all my tights. Unfortunately, that doesn't work for me. But like I said, Bird Eye and even another brand, Terra Active, that I'm going to talk about later, has great flare pants that fit my like lengthwise perfectly. But Bliss Club की जो athleisure है, I am obsessed with it. I recently also did a shorts video on this. I picked up a quad set which was this really buttery soft material. It's their bare butter fabric. मलमल की तरह है बिल्कुल. इसकी pants जो हैं, I have them right here. are also super comfy for your airport travels या general कोई भी traveling कर रहे हो आप. If I'm like on my periods and I don't want to wear something tight, which by the way I do, so when I'm on my periods because I have to wear a pad, I do prefer wearing loose pants to the gym. It's like track pants that I have at home. I usually wear that. Bliss Club I know also has activewear that you can work out in or do yoga in, like low impact stuff. उनकी website पे जाके आप check out कर सकते हो. I don't have that to show you guys, but this stuff is really good. Next brand that I want to talk about is Terra Active. I mentioned it briefly earlier also. Inki flare pants, just look at this length. This is like God sent for me. Actually मेरी sister ने ही लिया था and I stole it from her. So medium size है तो मेरी waist इसमें थोड़ा सा loose है, but what I do is I like to roll this down and wear it. Material is very nice, very comfy. I have worked out in this. Terra Active apparently has these cuddle tees जो बहुत ही popular है Instagram पे, काफी मैंने उनके ads देखे हैं. I bought them in a purple color t-shirt. मेरे पास obviously नहीं है. It's mixed up somewhere in the cartons that I have. उसका जो review है मेरी तरफ से वो ये रहेगा कि I found the t-shirt to be a little thick, not something I will wear to the gym because I will like feel really hot. I want to wear something light, but like again athleisure travel lounge के लिए वो आप पहन सकते हो. But the flare pants were, I worked out in them and I think they were great. Moving on to the next brand is called Lala Flower. Now this is on the pricier side. The brand actually was the one that sent me to try them out and I was really impressed with the quality. Worked out in these tights, loved them. Like I said, high-waisted hair and I love the high-waisted snatched feeling. Like black tights are so common, right? Every brand does them, but not every brand gets it right. This has everything going for it. On the pricier side, but if you are, you know, open to experimenting, then go ahead and try this one. They also sent me a bra top. I haven't worn this yet. It's not padded. I prefer wearing bras that are padded, especially for my workout. This is something I would wear while I'm traveling. So overall, great brand to try. I mean, I just thought I'll mention it in case you guys are looking to try something new, and Lala Flower would be a great one. Another Indian brand is called Ela, E-L-A, Ela Wear. I bought tights from them, which I'm wearing right now, and this sports bra, which is this backless kind of vibe. I love how hot this makes me feel. It's great for like back days. Removable pads bhi hain, so that's great for support. Obviously running, I would not like anything like that requires high impact, jumping, running, hopping. It's a no for this one, but anything seated like आप weight training कर रहे हो, yoga कर रहे हो, pilates कर रहे हो, this just works perfectly well for that. And I think the last Indian brand that I have to share with you guys is called Go Colors. काफी popular brand है. I think they started with kurtas and pajamas and things like that, but they've also started doing activewear stuff. I only have one pair of tights from them. काफी comfortable है. This is one of those tights that I don't reach out for every day. जब मेरे favorites नहीं होते हैं तब मैं ये पहनती हूँ, but the fact that I do wear them, I can tell you that they are comfortable, you can work out in them, and they are also budget friendly. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys found this helpful and enjoyed watching one of my, I wouldn't say a haul video, but it was more about me sharing my favorites so far from the Indian activewear brands. I am so excited to be back on YouTube, guys. So please do support me. Comment down below your favorite brand if you've tried any of these or if you will be trying. I want to know which one you plan to try. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.